In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Oceanpayment to Shopify. If you're looking to streamline your online store's payment processing, then this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's dive right in so you can set up your store with ease. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account. It's important to ensure you're entering the correct details so you can access the dashboard without any issues. Once you're logged in, navigate to the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu, which will take you to a new options page. Click on Payments to open your payment settings. At this point, you'll see a variety of payment options available. To connect Oceanpayment, locate the Alternative Payments section. It's a bit lower down the page, so make sure you scroll carefully. Find and click on the Manage Alternative Payments option, which will guide you to a new window. Now, in the list of payment providers, search for Oceanpayment. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top for convenience. Once found, click on the Oceanpayment option to begin the connection process. You'll need to enter specific details to link your Oceanpayment account to Shopify. So, have your account information ready. Enter your merchant ID and other required credentials. These details ensure that your Shopify store can seamlessly communicate with Oceanpayment. Next, look carefully at the integration settings to verify all information is correct. Once everything looks good, click Activate. This is an important step as it officially connects Oceanpayment to your Shopify account. Make sure you see a confirmation message indicating the activation was successful. Now that the connection is complete, it's a good idea to conduct a test transaction. This step verifies that everything is operational. You can do this by making a small purchase from your own store. Navigate through your online storefront and add an item to your cart. Go to the checkout and choose Oceanpayment as your payment method. Complete the transaction and check your email for confirmation. If everything works smoothly, you're all set. Finally, if you encounter any issues during setup or while testing, don't hesitate to contact Oceanpayment support or check Shopify's help resources. They can offer valuable assistance and ensure everything is running correctly. Having a reliable payment system is crucial, as it enhances customer trust and ensures smooth transactions. There you have it. You've successfully connected Oceanpayment to Shopify. With this integration, your store is now ready to offer customers a seamless checkout experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.